Hello, everybody, and welcome to break 794 for the 2018 Panini Limited Football Box. Thanks, everyone, for getting on the break, and all of you watching. Current date and time, according to eBay, is Friday, May 24th, 2019. It's 9:57 p.m. Eastern Time, 8:57 p.m. Central Time, and 6:57 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Tony with 5 spots, Chris 1, Eric 1, Two Toes 1, Ever 2, Kelly 3, Mad with 1, Mince King 1, Rob 2, Jormal 2, Oz 2, Dude Bro 2, Ruby 2, Sci-Fi 2, and Mark with 5 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Tony's on top, Mark on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6. And unlucky number 7 has Oz on top, Matt on the bottom. Oz has the Cardinals, Rob Falcons, Sci-Fi with the Ravens, Tony Bills, Evers Panthers, Mark Bears, Oz Bengals, Tony Browns and Cowboys, Rob the Card Shark with the Broncos, Mark Lions, Tony Packers, Chris Texans, Mark Colts, Dude Bro Jaguars, Ruby Chiefs, Tony Chargers, Evers Rams, Mark Dolphins, Sci-Fi with the Vikings, Ruby Patriots, Jormal Saints, Kelly Giants, Mince King Jets, Kelly Raiders, Dude Bro Eagles, Eric Steelers, Jormal 49ers, Kelly Seahawks, Two Toes Buccaneers, Mark Titans, and last but not least, Mad with the Washington Redskins. I'm a little under the weather, so I do apologize for that. 2018 Panini Limited Football. We'll have 3 packs, 5 cards. We'll get 2 autos and a mem. We'll ship every single card. So whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Guys got big plans for the weekend? Sam Darnold. Okay. Let's see what we get. Put this back a tiny bit. Alright, first pack. Alright, first up, Evan Ingram from the New York Giants. So the first 4 base. We have Sean Lee for the Dallas Cowboys. Chicago Bears, Allen Robinson. And we have DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans, our last base in the first pack. And 2/10 Pittsburgh Steelers. Come on, camera. Rookie patch auto of Mason Rudolph. 2/10. Very nice for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Okay. Next pack. O.J. Howard, Buccaneers. Kareem Hunt, Kansas City Chiefs. Again, the first 4 cards are base, which we'll ship every single card. Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers. Then we have Marshawn Lynch, Oakland Raiders. And then we have 5/50 of Bradley Chubb. Rookie Phenoms for the Broncos. Very nice. Our third pack. Starting with Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. Drew Brees for the Saints. Dak Prescott. Dallas Cowboys. We have Brandon Cooks for the Rams. And last but not least, we have rookie auto out of 199 of John Kelly for the Rams. Sweet. Okay. So all the base will ship. There's a lot of base there, so let's just highlight our hits again real quick. So first up, John Kelly and the Rams out of 199. LA Rams going to Evers. RA, congrats. Then 5 out of 50, Bradley Chubb, Denver Broncos, rookie phenoms patch. Denver Broncos, Rob the Card Shark. And then we have, out of 10, we have a rookie patch auto of Mason Rudolph for the Pittsburgh Steelers. And the Pittsburgh Steelers is going to Eric Thompson. Congrats, Eric. And that was break 794 for the 2018 Panini Limited. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon, and please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.